Good evening, everybody. I have a quick severe weather update. I want to get this out here because people are ready to go to sleep. It's about 10:30 p.m. Central Time, 11:30 Eastern Time, and we have some updated information about potentially severe weather situation in northern Texas and southern Oklahoma. My last update, I discussed the possibility that this would happen. Now it's looking more likely, and a severe thunderstorm watch is likely going to be put into effect soon. But let's take a look at what I have here. This is the latest convective outlook, and you can see the slight risk in South Oklahoma and North Texas. But the Storm Prediction Center has put out some additional guidance on this that I want to get out here right now. So let's take a look. Uh, they put out this mesoscale discussion that I'm going to show you, and you can see that looks like what's going to be a severe thunderstorm watch for northern Texas and southern Oklahoma. These storms are going to be approaching very, very late into the night and early morning, 2, 3, 4, 5 a.m., really what we're talking about here. So people will be asleep. There could be a chance of some isolated tornadoes in this area, and this includes the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Probably not the Oklahoma City area, but that will be hit a little bit later. Let me just show you graphically what the mesoscale discussion says. It says Texas, South Plains to central Oklahoma. Oklahoma, probability of a watch issuance 80%. If you look here on this map, you can see they circle this area here as being the increasing severe potential watch likely. As you can see right here is what it says. So if you live in this area, the Dallas-Fort Worth area, southern Oklahoma, northern Texas, set your NOAA weather radio tonight just to make sure in case a tornado warning is issued and you need to get to a safe place quickly. Let's take a look at the model, this HRRR model of composite reflectivity. Basically, it's a future radar scan, and you can see at about 6Z is about midnight Central Time, so it's about an hour and a half from now, and you can see the line of thunderstorms already forming at that point. 7Z, that's about 1 a.m. Central Time. And look at what we have here. This is a pretty significant line of storms coming through. Let's continue to move this hour by hour. So again, that's at about 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., and about 6 a.m. But right about there, at about 3 a.m., approaching the border of Oklahoma and Texas toward the Dallas-Fort Worth area, but a little north of there. I mean, we're seeing some purple on this map in this area, but anywhere along this line, there could be severe weather. Let me take a look here at. So anyway, that's the main reason for this update. Since I'm on here, though, the severe weather threat for the central part of the United States has increased since my last video. This is for tomorrow, probably around 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. There is an enhanced risk of severe weather in Mississippi and Tennessee. Those are the main two areas, and I don't think I covered it in my last video. It wasn't enhanced at that point, it was slight. Now it's enhanced, and so tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening, folks in northern Mississippi and all of Tennessee and probably portions of West Virginia need to be on the lookout for a severe line of storms coming through. And I think I have that also here on the radar. Here is the NAM 3K for tomorrow afternoon. And you can see a pretty severe line of storms right there. And that's about 23Z. So that's pretty close to 6 p.m. Central Time. You can see a line of severe storms coming through, predicted. This is the projection of the radar through Tennessee and West Virginia as well as parts of Mississippi and Alabama. So that's what this radar predicts. But the Severe Storms Forecast Center really has focused on Mississippi and Tennessee, really this area here, where they believe the threat for severe weather, tornadoes, and severe thunderstorms is the most likely. Anyway, that is my update for now. Again, if you live in northern Texas, Dallas, Fort Worth area, southern Oklahoma, set your weather radio now. A severe thunderstorm watch is on its way, probably in the next hour or so. They're going to issue it. 80% chance that's going to happen. And then warnings may come 2, 3, 4 in the morning in your area. So if you're sleeping, no weather radio will wake you up if there is a tornado warning local to you, and get to a safe place. Thank you very much, and hope this guidance helps somebody, and spread the word if you live in that area. Thank you.